guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to get a product link to your favorite destination. So let's get started. Go here, product links, wait for it to load. After that you have link to favorite destinations. That's what interests us. Select a product line. So let's choose a product line. Let's say ours is camera and photo. You can choose general bestseller or whatever for that category, or accessories, and name your link. For example, old cameras. After you have done that, press on get HTML, and now you have this. Now, well, it's pretty simple. Just copy this and use it for your page. You can also test your link down here if it works, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.